I am really delighted that Swami Vivekanand Government PG College Lohaghat, Champawat is organizing a 2 days national webinar on the topic Successes, Challenges and Possibilities of Democratic Values in India. The topic is very relevant and contemporary, particularly in respect of the rapidly changing world. In fact, the emerging geopolitical post COVID world significantly divided the national states between democracies and their allies on the one hand, and authoritative regimes and their allies on the other. The world is already facing global crisis of climate change, economic disparities, population explosion, the security threats and arms race, the increasing problem of refugee crisis, among many other challenges. But new crisis of disruptive technologies, artificial intelligence, big data, and bioinformatics, etc., have raised the issue of nationalism versus globalization. The potential threats of exploitation of masses in less developed countries by the few technologically advanced corporates in the developed world. The issue of values and ethics, along with security and privacy, has come center stage at global level. In India, the democratic values and ideals based on natural law, liberty, equality, and justice enshrined in our constitution, along with the goal of common good, सर्व जन हिताय सर्व जन सुखाय, सबका साथ सबका विकास, the common good, diversity and plurality, the fundamental rights of life, living, expression and belief, along with protection of any sort of discrimination on caste, creed, gender, region, religion, etc. During the last several decades, these values and ideals have been inculcated in peoples and their lives, no matter whether they could define democracy or explain these concepts or values. The biggest success of the nation has been its spectacular growth, the sustainable development. The sustainable development, its rise as a great sovereign power and largest democracy of the world, of course, the huge diversity and inequality, along with the issue of poverty, unemployment, and quality of life, especially education and health, food security, have raised basic questions about inconsistencies in our democratic socialism. India is still on the way to develop good citizenry rooted in our values and ethics and cultural heritage. The National Education Policy 2020 have outlined a roadmap for holistic development of youth capable of facing the future challenges of 21st century. The country has to carve out its right place at global level while incorporating the democratic values worldwide for the growth of world civilization. I hope that these issues would be thoroughly discussed to explore the potential conservation and spread of these values further in the dignified presence of Professor Sanjeev Sarmaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University and former General Secretary, Political Science Association of India, and also Professor Semwalji, Professor Political Science of HNB, Central University Srinagar. I extend my best wishes for grand success of the webinar and congratulate Principal Professor Sangeeta Gupta ma'am and Organizing Secretary Dr. Prakash Lakheda for this landmark event in their college. Thank you very, very much.